Hey everybody, this lesson today is on mixed numbers part 2, subtracting mixed numbers, and these are with like denominators and no regrouping today. Mixed numbers are numbers that have a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, 5 and 7/8 is called a mixed number because the whole number is 5 and the fraction is 7/8. 2 and 3/8 is also a mixed number with a whole number of 2 and a fraction of 3/8. So what we're doing today is we're taking 5 and 7/8 and subtracting 2 and 3/8. And how you do that is we're going to rewrite that so that we can work with it a little bit more easily. I'm going to rewrite 5 7/8 minus our 2 and 3/8. And our first step is we want to do our fractions. I'm going to separate our whole numbers and our fractions here. And that'll be important when the problems get a little bit more difficult later. We want to start with our fractions, and then we will finish up with our whole numbers. So 7/8 minus 3/8 would be 4/8, and then 5 minus 2 would be 3. So our answer would be 3 and 4/8. We could show that on the model up here. Up top we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wholes. And this last one is our 7/8 right here. And we're taking away 2 wholes and 3/8. Well, 2, I'm just going to show that with just kind of canceling these out. And so there's our 3, 1, 2, 3. And then from our 7/8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're going to take away 3 of them. 2, 3, and you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where we get our 3 and 4/8. So subtract mixed numbers. Our steps are to subtract the fractions first, and then subtract our whole numbers. 6 and 3/4 minus 3 and 2/4. I'm going to rewrite. 6 3/4 minus 3 2/4. Start with our fractions. 3/4 take away 2/4. Remember, our fourths on the bottom, the denominator stays the same, but 3 take away 2 is 1 for 1/4, and 6 minus 3 would be 3. So our answer would be 3 and 1/4. We could show this with our models. Here's our whole number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our fraction of 3/4, 3/4. 1, 2, 3 are shaded out of a total of 4. And we're taking away 3 wholes, which leaves us with 1, 2, 3. That's where we get the 3. And then our fraction, we started with 3/4, but we're taking 2 away, which leaves us with 1 shaded left, which would be our 1/4 for 3 and 1/4. Let's try one more. We're going to subtract the mixed number of 4 and 3/6 minus 1 and 2/6. We're going to start with our fractions and then subtract the whole numbers. I'm going to rewrite it. It's just a good habit to get into, especially when the problems get a little bit more difficult later on. And being organized will really help you to follow all the steps that we have. Minus 1 and 2/6. Our fractions, 3/6 minus 2/6 would be 1/6, and then 4 minus 1 would be 3. So our answer would be 3 and 1/6. I could show this with our models. Here we have 4 and 3/6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our whole. The 3/6 is right here. We have 1, 2, 3 are shaded yellow out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're taking away one whole and 2/6 on our fraction side. So we have 1, 2, 3 wholes. That's right there. And from our 3/6, which is here, we're taking away 2, which would leave us with 1/6 for our answer. So in review today, our lesson was on mixed numbers, subtracting mixed numbers, and today's lesson was like denominators, and we had no regrouping today. We showed that with models, and we said that a whole number is a mixture of a whole number and a fraction together would be a mixed number. We start with our fractions, and then we subtract the whole numbers. All right, everybody. Thanks.